Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is DeLonghi Mica Thermic Panel Heater. DeLonghi panel heaters are the perfect blend of function and style. This sleek, stylish mica panel heater by DeLonghi is perfect for any application and any decor. With its slim design and convenient wall-mountable option, you can virtually put this heater anywhere. It is ideal for use as supplementary or spot heating in the bedroom, living room, office or anywhere in the home. You can customize your heating needs with the adjustable thermostat and 2 heat settings. Choose the high setting for 1500 watts or the low setting for 750 watts. You can rest easy knowing that this heater has a safety thermal cutoff, so it doesn't overheat, an internal tip-over switch in case the unit becomes unstable and power caution indicator lights. It also has a convenient carry handle and casters for easy transport. Its adjustable room thermostat is set to automatically keep the temperature that makes you the most comfortable, delivering optimal, fanless, heat distribution through mica thermic technology. For extra peace of mind, a thermal shutoff function prevents overheating and a tip-over switch automatically shuts the heater off and sounds an alarm if knocked over. Lightweight and portable, this DeLonghi mica panel heater will go wherever you go with wheels to let you heat any room in the house. Lightweight, compact unit with convenient handle and wheels easily moves from room to room. Our second best space heater for bedroom is Give Best Portable Electric Space Heater. This ceramic heater provides 2 heat levels, 1500 watts or 750 watts and 1 cool air fan. You can use it both for winter and summer. Thermostat control of the heater will turn the heater off when it reaches a preset temperature and turn the heater back on when the temperature dips below the thermostat setting. It will cycle on and off. Adjust the setting of thermostat from 0 to 158 Fahrenheit to keep room comfortable. These heaters are made of flame retardant material avoiding any fire hazard. Automatic safety shutoff system will shut the heater off when the heater overheat. The tip-over protection system will also shut the heater off when the heater was knocked over by accident, and it will come back on automatically if it is uprighted. The noise this ceramic heater makes is lower than 45 decibels, quiet enough for most people to use in a bedroom while sleeping. With PTC ceramic heating tech and high-speed fan, this heater put out tons of heat to heat up 200 square feet in seconds. The indicator light would keep lighting if the heater conduct power, which will remind you to unplug the heater when not using. For details, let's watch more. Third in our list is Kopbo Radiator Space Heater. With 1,500 watts of heating power, you'll enjoy solid streams of warmth, allowing you to get nice and warm even faster and stable. Plus, with 3 power settings, low, medium, high and eco, you can find your preference temperature with total ease. 3 heating options: 600W, 900W, 1500W, and eco mode with temperature settings range 40 to 95 Fahrenheit by 1 Fahrenheit temperature adjustment each press. This oil heater, also featuring 24 hours on/off timer with remote control, provide more convenient using for all your needs. Big but elegant control panel with soft touch buttons, big and clearly display with necessary indication icons provide more comfortable operation experience for users. Free of oil refill and very quiet heating, ideal oil heater without any noise for your full night and baby sleep. This digital space heater provide even and no dry heating all the time, not instant warm your home but keeps longer warms than other type of heaters. No need adjust your oil heater frequently as it is smart eco mode. Eco mode would keep your ideal setting temp automatically, which also saving your energy bill. Number 4 in our best space heater for bedroom list is Loshco Electric Tower Heater. The AirLogic Bladeless Heater by Loshco features exclusive heat channels for long-range heat projection. The space heater's sleek design fits well into existing home decor, and the multifunction remote with onboard storage adds convenience to keeping your space warm and comfortable. Features 2 heat settings, plus auto thermostat mode, timer function and oscillation. EZ Click filter is easy to vacuum and extends the life of the heater. Standing just 27-inch tall, this fully assembled heater has widespread oscillation that spreads the heat around your desired space. Built-in safety features with a non-exposed ceramic element and cool touching housing. Digital simple touch controls offer high and low settings, 8-hour timer and automatic thermostat with remote control. Enhanced safety features include no visible heating element, safe touch surface, automatic shut-off and tip-over safety switch, ETL listed. Specially designed heat channels blend air with heat to deliver a quick, uniform and long-range heat projection. Patent-pending blower technology creates powerful ceramic heat and low noise output. The permanent rear filter with EZ Click system helps to keep the heater free of debris, while the heat channels can easily be wiped clean. This heater is intended for use as supplemental heat. Our last pick is Envy Electric Panel Wall Heater. The Envy wall-mounted electric panel heater is one of the most efficient, stylish, and innovative indoor space heaters ever developed. The LE5012P Envy heater is a 120-volt plug-in whole-room electric space heater and has a built-in thermostat. Turn down your central heat and heat the areas of your home where you want, when you want, for as little as 4 cents per hour. Super efficient, ultra-safe, wall-mounted, low-wattage, whole-room heater that pays for itself in less than 1 winter. Supplements or replaces central heating. Easy to operate and clean with no moving parts, so it is 100% maintenance free. 0 lifetime repair costs compared to expensive central heating system. Slim, sleek and stylish space saving design, reduces floor clutter. Only 2 inches thin.